Yeah.
But
My son was at a park and he was running towards the cement staircase, and my daughter, being 7 months pregnant at the time, couldn't catch up to him.
right.
And so he got to the top of the stairs, and then his body just went like this, like he was falling, and then it stopped midair, and then he stood back up, like the Michael Jackson dance, from his
Yeah.
toes. And and then he looked surprised. He looked back at my daughter and like, what was that? And she comes running up. She goes, "Do you just realize that you just met your angel, your guardian angel?" Because it defied physics.
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah.
cool.
No. Mhm.
Quick story if you have time.
Absolutely.
Yeah, one of my friends grew up as a missionary kid, and so he had this very vivid vision where he thought it was a dream. He woke up and he saw this angel, and he had a really big bedroom and high ceilings. And this angel was so big, he had to stoop down and on one knee, like in a lunge position.
Wow.
And his sword went from one edge of the room to the other, and his wings were hitting the ceiling.
Wow.
And he looked at my friend, and he, with kind of an annoyed voice and expression, he said, "You're going to be okay." And and my friend thought, well, why is he
Angels are so
annoyed?
direct.
Yeah, yeah. Why is he annoyed? And it seems like he doesn't want to be here. Like he was assigned to me, and he's normally assigned to kings or whatever.
Oh, nice.
And so then he woke up for real, and he was brushing his teeth, and he was thinking, that was so real. Why was that so vivid?
Mhm.
And then he went outside his bedroom on the second floor, and he's walking down the stairs, and then he realized everything in his house is gone. He was robbed last night. They stole everything, the equipment, the stereo, the TV. They didn't come to upstairs. Yeah.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
he's like, whoa, that was real. That
Yeah.
wasn't a dream.
Right.